Hi Nyla, I'm going to show you how to get onto Raz Kids. So when you pull up Schoology, go to our course page, and then of course you'll want to go to our Friday, January 22nd folder. From here, Raz Kids, the assignment is located in your reading folder, the red reading folder. Your Raz Kids daily assignment is here. And it says log into Raz Kids here. So right here, if you just click on the word here, it will take you to Raz Kids. From here, since you've logged in before, it should let you just log right in. Go to Kids Login. And then you're going to just scroll down until you find your number. Here's your number right here. Click on that. Your password is student. And then from here, once you're in Raz Kids, click on My Assignment. Go to the one that says Single Assignments. And then your book for today is The Sleeping Dog. So then you'll click here, and it will take you through for you to read the story and then take the quiz. And then when you're done, just go back to the discussion post and click done. I'm sorry, type done right here. You'll just type the word done in the discussion board, and then I will know you are done. Let me know if you need more help.